What is good, folks? In today's video, I'm going to be taking you through a short little how-to of how to connect Binance Smart Chain to your Metamask wallet on Ethereum. Now, I didn't actually know that this was something that was possible until sort of a month ago when I started looking into Venus Protocol. And full disclosure, I'm still learning a lot about sort of Binance and their Smart Chain and Venus Protocol. And in today's video, I'm basically just going to take you through the steps of how to basically connect it all up. We're going to take a little bit of a look at Venus Protocol, not too much of an in-depth dive as such, but just go through, connect it up, make sure we do it properly. And in the description of this video, I will include all of the links that I use for today's video, and it will include all of the data and information that you need to go and then do this yourself. All right, so I encourage you to just take your time, watch the video through if you are looking to hook it up, and just make sure you enter in everything correctly so you don't make any mistakes. All right, now let's go check it out. Alrighty, ladies and gents, we are on the venus.io site here, so make sure you enter that right, okay? Up in the top left here, we've got venus.io. Make sure you get that right. Great little website, by the way. Let's have a bit of a scroll down before we launch the app, just to see what it says. So as you can see here, you've got the earn interest on your assets and the rates that we're currently getting here, okay? 1% for SXP, God, that's rubbish, man. You're gonna get way better on-chain rewards there. Not sure why that is. Do let me know in the comments if you know. We've got some great rates here on Binance USD, 14%. We've got 21% on Tether and some nice, almost 11%, 10.83% on Binance, okay? So if we scroll back up now, you're gonna be faced with an option here to launch the app, okay? So that's how you get access to the actual protocol, which to be honest was not that obvious to me the first time I did it. I don't know, maybe it is. So let's click that button. Now, I've actually already connected mine up through Chrome, but I'm just showing you on Brave to show you what it's going to look like. All right, so I have my MetaMask done through Chrome or attached through Chrome. Now, if you look here, if you haven't yet attached your Binance Smart Chain to MetaMask, you're going to have this option coming up here. You're going to get this loading screen. All right, so this is the Venus Protocol here. It's the dashboard, but you're going to have that loading screen. All right, folks, so you're stuck on that loading screen. All you have to do is open up your MetaMask, okay? So make sure you've got your MetaMask attached to that browser that you are using, all right? So you're gonna have that loading screen, click in the top right-hand corner, open up your MetaMask, put in your password, okay? I'm not gonna do that part of the video because it's sensitive information. So open up your MetaMask and then I'll take you onto the next screen. Alrighty, so as you can see here, we are in my MetaMask wallet here, okay? And basically what we need to do is we need to go in the top right-hand corner here and press this little circle button here. And that's gonna take us to the next screen when we do that. Once we click that circle button there, it's gonna show me an option to go to the settings down the bottom here. You're gonna click that settings button. You click that settings button, you're gonna get a settings options here. You're gonna have networks here. You're gonna click networks, add and edit custom RPC networks. We're gonna click on that button there. That's gonna take us to a section where we've got an option to add a network. As you can see, we've got the live network there, which is the Ethereum mainnet. We've got some other networks there as well. Ignore those for now. We're gonna click on add network, all right? So let's just go and do that. We're gonna add the network, and then it's gonna give us some options where we can enter the network name, the new RPC URL, the chain ID. Then we've got two optional boxes here, which I would still encourage you to enter the information in anyway, which is the currency symbol and the block explorer URL. All right, so we're gonna enter all those details there. So as you can see, we've got Smart Chain, we got the URL there, the chain ID is 56, the symbol's BNB, and then we've got the optional URL there. Then you're gonna hit save. Then once you've hit save, you're gonna get back to the original screen here, and now it's not gonna say ETH anymore, it's gonna say BNB, and you're gonna have the same receiver's address, but as you can see at the top here, it's gonna say Smart Chain instead, all right? So I've gone through the process here, doing it with the mainnet, but I also advise you to go through the same steps and add the testnet. Now, assuming you've done all of that correctly, ladies and gentlemen, you should have all of the information coming up here, just like you're seeing on my screen here. We've got the dashboard here, and we've got all of the statistics that you need to check out. So as we saw back on that first page, it's pretty much similar. Okay, we've got 10.8% on the BNB and a nice 21.95% on the supply market on the USDT. So as you saw here, we're in the supply market, with the borrow market here, the mint slash VI repay section as well. So VI is the stablecoin, okay, of this Venus Protocol ecosystem, and a whole lot of other useful information here. We've got total value locked down here in the bottom left, total VI minted down here also in the bottom left here too. And yeah, and you've also got like a voting section here. Again, I haven't had a huge look into this, but this is just basically the governance section. So the more Venus you own, the more rights you have to vote, to make changes, or sort of upgrades to the protocol. All right, so that's more or less it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it, folks. Thanks for watching the video today, folks. If you did find any value at all in today's video, please consider liking the video, hitting the subscribe button. It's free to do and literally takes 5 seconds, and it just really helps the channel grow, and it just really helps that this is what I do for a career. So I really appreciate that if you did find value in the video. And if you do want to hear more from me and more of my videos, I do a lot of reviews and other things based around crypto. Do feel free to hit that notification button as well. And if there's any other questions at all that you've got about this topic or cryptocurrency in general, then please reach out and ask me. If you're not following me already, my social media handles are mainly on Twitter, Instagram as well. It's Satoshi Aoki 7. I've also got a free Telegram group where you can chat with me directly in there. And yeah, if there's any other questions at all, feel free to reach out. Hope you have a lovely day, and peace out until next time. Cheers, viewers.